So my name is Emanuel Towfigh. I'm a Max Planck Fellow at the Max Planck Institute for Comparative Public Law and International Law in Heidelberg, and I'm also a full professor of public law, empirical legal research, and law and economics at EBS University. I work on the 3Ds: democracy, diversity, and digitalization, and I've been invited to give a keynote here at the 2025 Max Planck Law Annual Conference on diversity, where I'll be talking about diversity in the legal system. And the question here is, in order for the legal system to be able to process everyone's legal problems and address all issues of all inhabitants, of everyone who's subject to the rule of law, we need diversity in the legal system. And the question is, what are the mechanisms that kind of hinder that diversity and that are in the way, and can we do something about them? I think the research is important because the acceptance of the rule of law and the acceptance of our public order, of our state order, depends on people believing and feeling that the rule of law can actually address their problems, that they have access to the law, that judges or the legal system at large actually understands the conflicts they are living with and can potentially solve them. So I'm also heading the Center for Diversity in Law, and it is hosted at the Max Planck Institute in Heidelberg. And I wanted to get back to Max Planck, first of course to Heidelberg and to the institute there because of the context, because of the rich academic environment, this vibrant environment, but also because of Max Planck Law, which combines all the law institutes in the Max Planck Society. And at all these institutes, some aspects of diversity are talked about, are researched. And I thought this was a very suitable context, a very good environment, a vibrant environment for our group to do research on diversity in the German legal system.